Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So what's going on? This time the crypto market very badly fails down, and a lot of holders do this mistake to they starting selling. Exactly, this is very big mistake. I hope today as they very badly fails down, my brother, but tomorrow I hope they can go on up. They can go on up like rocket. Just wait for tomorrow, my brother. They change you. You can see here all cryptocurrencies as 20% goes down. All cryptocurrencies, not just your unique coin, a unique crypto. Absolutely, all coins is very badly falls down, my brother. You can see here all coins is very badly down. So my brother, the reason as what? Please, I explain you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Click the red button for latest news. Please, you just subscribe. I hope you, my brother, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscription, my brother. I updating you every time, every latest news about all crypto market, every crypto news. So please subscribe and press bell icon for video notification. The reason is that, my brother, to crypto market as very badly falls down because a lot of holders starting selling. Exactly, the Bitcoin and Storm X, these two cryptocurrencies as a start of this bad falls. Absolutely, Bitcoin and Storm X. Everybody knows the Storm X. Storm X is also one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, and I hope you know about the Storm X. The Storm X is one of the unique cryptocurrencies, and they gone very vastly up. And Bitcoin, as everybody know today, are every time going up. In the previous last 7 days, absolutely crypto market as very badly fails down. So this is the one reason to all cryptocurrencies as very badly falls down. And this month and the start of this month especially. But I hope in a good time is coming soon. You can see your Dutch coin and these days very and the form they going up. If you invest in Dutch coin, this is absolutely good for you, my brother, because Dutch coin is one of the unique cryptocurrencies at the end of last and the first 2 or 3 days they starting moving up like a rocket, and they're going up very fastly. So I think Dutch coin as very fastest cryptocurrency, they give you $1 just at the end of this month. So my friends, please invest in a Dutch coin. This is very good for you, and research personally. This is not advising video, okay, my friends. I already explained you the reason today going down. Absolutely, this is the start. This is the mid of month, but I think at the end of this month they give you very good profits. All cryptocurrencies going up, and tomorrow, yesterday they give you very good change occur. But please wait for a good time. Please, this is not a selling time. Remember, this is not a sample time. I hope you understand, my brother. Please hold it. Wait for a good time. I hope they give you a very good profit. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.